The best Powerline adapter might be the secret to upgrading your network. These offer a different way of extending your network's area of coverage. You simply connect one of them via an Ethernet cable to your router, plug it into a power outlet, and plug another one in a power outlet wherever you want to have access to that network. They are great for Wi-Fi networks that are unable to reach certain parts of the home or office. As usual, we have opinions on the best Powerline adapter. These options are the safest and fastest Powerline adapter available today. In this video we gonna checking out top 5 best Powerline adapter in 2021 for every type of consumer. We have included links in the description box down below, so let's get started with the video. On 5th place we have D-Link Powerline AV2 2000 adapter kit. There's nothing much to the D-Link Powerline AV2 2000 design, it's basic and simple. As it turned out, the two included adapters are much larger than the photo printed on the box suggests. At 3.8 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches, the Powerline adapter is about the same size as a deck of playing cards and is small enough that it won't block access to an adjacent wall outlet. To be fair, at that speed, the DHP701 AV is currently the fastest Powerline kit. Furthermore, the two included adapters are bulky, making it difficult to find a suitable wall socket to plug into. All you have to do is plug one adapter into a wall outlet near your router and connect it to the router using an Ethernet cable. On 4th place we have Zyxel PLA6456GHN Powerline Kit. The Zyxel Powerline Adapter Kit is a quick way to extend your wired network from one end of your home to another, without running an actual network cable. It turns a couple of power sockets into two ends of a standard network connection. This Powerline adapter kit's included two adapters are rather bulky. But in return, they feature a pass-through socket and sports the latest GHN Wave 2 Powerline standard. And the connection between the two proved to be quite fast in my testing. So at around $90, they are worth the time and effort you save from wiring your home. On 3rd place we have NETGEAR PowerLINE 1200 adapter. The NETGEAR PowerLINE 1200 kit is affordable and delivers the connection speed many times that of a regular Ethernet connection. The adapter has an indicator light that helps you find the best wall socket to plug it in. This Powerline adapter kit won't deliver the on-paper, and honestly, quite mythical, top speed of 1200 Mbps advertised by NETGEAR. Similar to most Powerline adapters, the 1200 is easy to set up and is a convenient and reliable way to extend your wired network without the need to run network cables through your house. This Powerline adapter is an excellent buy for anyone looking to extend their network, but it's not the only option. The adapter is bulky and there's no way it can deliver the mythical advertised speed of 1200 Mbps. On 2nd place we have TRENDnet Powerline 1300 AV2 adapter kit. This Powerline adapter has a TPL423E2K output combined with two transducers that can be used to create a high-speed Powerline 1300 network using home electrical systems. Two adapters are required to start the network. The TRENDnet adapter is protected by 128 bits encryption. Connect the first switch and connect it to the current router. Connect the other switches to the same electrical system and they will be connected automatically to the first switch for instant internet access. Avoid losing a power outlet by using the built-in power outlet to power other devices. The TRENDnet Powerline 1300 AV2 adapter is an excellent and fast way to extend your home network to places where Wi-Fi signal can't reach. On 1st place we have TP-Link AV600 Powerline adapter. This Powerline adapter uses the existing electricity cables in your house to deliver an internet connection through the plug sockets. This enables you to get an internet connection in any room in the house. In my house, this is a far superior connection than my unstable wireless connection using a wireless extender. The idea of the Powerline is that it turns every 3-pin power socket in the house into an internet outlet. As long as the device you are using has a Ethernet port, there are also versions available that act as a wireless extension as well. You can plug into the box and get internet. I think that this is an excellent idea, especially for houses like mine with a terrible wireless signal. This is all for now. You can check links in the description box down below. All best Powerline adapters are available on Amazon. You can check in the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.